Hello all, I am Dr. Pravas. In today's class, we will discuss about some new examples of SLR1 parser. Okay. So in the previous two classes, we have already discussed about the SLR1 parser. Okay. So we have already discussed about means in previous classes, grammar is SLR1 or not with the help of SLR1 parsing table. But here today we'll discuss about the grammar is SLR1 or not without using construction of parsing table. Okay, there are some shortcut methods. We'll see how to know that the grammar is SLR1 or not without using SLR1 parsing table. This is the first formula is SR config. How to know that? How to know that any LR0 item contains SR config or not? Okay, this is the same formula as we discussed in the previous class, like LR0 parser. If any state, okay, see, if any state contains the production like this, A2 alpha dot A beta. Here alpha beta means what? Alpha beta be the any combination, alpha beta be the any combination of terminal and also non-terminal. Any combination of terminal and non-terminal. This is called shift action. We have already discussed about this operation in LR0 classes. Okay. Alpha dot A means here it will scan what? A, small a. Small a means shift action. And this small a is called what? This small is terminal. This small a is terminal. Okay. And B2 gamma dot. This is called reduction. This is the reduce formula. This is the reduce and this is the shift action. This action is called as the reduce action and this action is called as shift action. Okay. Shift and reduce action. Okay. But in LR0, only this is the condition. Means A2 alpha dot A B beta and B2 gamma dot. This is the only condition SR config for in case of LR0. But in case of SR config, in case of SLR1, if one more condition will add, if this terminal means A, if follow B contains this terminal means A, so then we can say that this is SR config in case of SLR1. Okay, what is the meaning of RR config? What is the meaning of RR config? A to alpha dot and B to gamma dot. This is the same condition in case of LR0. But in case of RR config, we just add one more condition. If follow of A intersection follow of B means follow of B not equals to 5, then it is called RR config. So SR config means this is shift action and this is the reduce action. If A belongs to follow of B or follow of B contains A, then it is SR config. If follow of A intersection follow of B does not equals to 5, then it is called RR config. Okay. Now we check. We'll see one more example. How to. Okay. This is the grammar. Verify the grammar is SLR or SLR1 or not. Verify the grammar is SLR1 or not. Here will not construct any SLR1 table without using SLR1 table. We have to identify the grammar is SLR1 or not using the above formula. Okay. First we have to convert this grammar into augmented grammar, or we just write here S prime to S. We just write here S prime to S. Okay. So S prime to, now we'll find the LR0 items, S prime to dot S. So now we'll find the closure of S. Here closure of S is S2 dot A. Then we'll find the closure of A. See, the closure of A is A2 dot AB, then A2 dot epsilon. Okay, so there is no more closure. Okay, now we'll close. This is the I0, this is I0. So here S prime to S dot, then it will scan A, S2 dot A dot, then A2, A dot B, A dot B. Now we'll find the closure of B again. So closure of B is B2 dot A, B, and B2 dot. Here this is completed, S and A. Now here it will scan B, S2, A is completed, S2, A, B dot, then here we'll scan small a, B2, A dot B, then we'll find the closure of B, B2 dot A, B, B2 dot B. Then B2, B dot. Okay, so here we'll start B, B2, B2, A, B dot, then here we'll scan B2, B dot, A dot, B. Again we'll find the closure of B. So B2 what dot AB and B2 dot. We just make the number. We just make numbering. This is I0 state. This is I1 state. This is I2 state. This is I3 state. This is I4 state. This is I5 state. This is I6 state. So this state is repeated like I4. Okay, this is I4, and then B, B2, B dot. This is I5. This is I5. So I6 completed, I4 repeated, I5 repeated. Okay. So this is our LR0 items. This is our LR0 items. This is our LR0 item. Now we'll check, is there any state contains SR or RR conflict or not? Okay. So let's see. Here one reduce action. Here one reduce action. Yes, it is one shift action, and here it is one shift action. So I2 may contain SR conflict. I3 no, I4 no, I5 no, I6 no, I4 okay. So now we'll check I2 may contain SR conflict. Okay, how? So first we have to find the follow set. First we have to find the follow set. So here we'll find follow of S, follow of A, follow of B. Follow of S, initially it contains dollar. So there is no S in the right side. Okay, completed. Now follow of A. So this is one A, this is second A. Follow of A, there is nothing on the right side of A. There is nothing on the right side of A means follow of A is nothing but follow of S. Follow of S means dollar. Then this is one more A. So one more A means there's something on the right side. Something on the right side means follow of A means here first of B. So first of B is nothing but A, comma B. So follow of B. Just like this is one B, this is the second B. There's nothing on the right side of B means follow of B means follow of A means here dollar A B. So this is the second B. There is nothing on the right side of B. So that means follow of B means follow of B. Follow of B is nothing but dollar A B. Okay. So follow of A is dollar. Follow of A is dollar A B. Follow of B is dollar A B. See. Now we'll check this follow of S. Follow of S only contains here. Follow of S only contains what? Dollar. So follow of S, this is the S is the reduced section. So follow of S does not contain either A or B. Follow of S does not contain either A or B. Since follow of S does not contain, follow of S does not contain either A or B. Or we can write here follow of S does not contain either A or B. So I2 does not contain any SR conflict. So finally this grammar is SLR1. Finally this grammar is SLR1. Since the grammar is SLR1 means every SLR1 grammar is also called as unambiguous grammar. Every SLR1 grammar is also called as unambiguous grammar. Okay. So now we'll check one more example. Okay. Verify the grammar is SLR1 or not without using SLR1 parsing table. Okay. So simply we just add S prime to S here. Okay. So S prime 2 dot S. Now we'll find the closure of S. So S2 dot of A S2 dot B A C and S2 dot DC then S2 dot B T A. Then we'll find the closure of A also A2 dot D. S prime 2 S dot then this is A S2 A dot A then we'll scan B. So S2 B dot AC, then we will find the closure of A. Closure of A2 dot okay. We'll again B means there are two V here, but S2 B dot DA. B over then D. S2 B dot C and A2 D dot. Okay. So now just make this is I0, this is I1, this is I2, I3, then this is I4. Okay, then this is A, S2, A dot. Then here we start what A. So S2 B A dot C, then D A2 D dot. Oh, sorry, it will scan double D. That means A2 D dot, then S2 B D dot A. Okay, then here C S2 P C dot. Just make number I5 4 gone, I5, I6, I this is I7, this is I8. Okay, C S2 B A C dot. Then here A S2 B D A dot. I8. So this is I6, I7, I8, I9. This is I10. So now we'll check, is there any SR conflict and RR conflict or not? Okay. I0 no conflict, I1 no conflict, I2 no conflict, I3 no conflict, I4 S one reduced action, one stripped action. So I4 may contains any conflict. Okay, then later we'll check. I5 no conflict, I6 no conflict, I7 may contain any conflict. Later we'll check. I8 no, I9 no, I10 no conflict. So here we'll check I4 and I7. I4 and I7 may contain any SR or RR. Sorry, may contain any SR conflict. May contain any SR conflict. Okay. So now we'll find what follows it. Now we'll find the follows. What follow of S, follow of A. So follow of S means this is dollar, initial it is dollar. So there is no S on the right side. There is no S on the right side. So follow of S is dollar. Okay. So follow of A. This is 1A. This is the second A. See, there is something on the right side of A. Means first of A is nothing but A. See, consider the second A. There is something on the right side of A. So something means first of C. First of C means C. So fall of S is dollar and fall of A is A and C. Okay, now we check. See, here fall of A contains C. Yes, fall of A contains C. Since fall of A contains here, fall of A contains C. So I4 contains what? SR conflict. I4 contains SR conflict. Now we check. This is reduced action. This is shift action. So now we check. Fall of A contains here A or not? Fall of A contains A, S. This A contains A. Since fall of A contains A, so I7 also contains SR. Okay. Since this grammar contains SR conflict, since this grammar contains SR conflict, so this grammar is not SLR1. So this grammar is not SLR1. Since the grammar is not SLR1, so this grammar is also ambiguous grammar. So this grammar is also ambiguous grammar. Since the grammar is not SLR1, so the grammar is also called as ambiguous grammar. Okay, so in the upcoming classes, we will also discuss one or two examples of SLR1. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and like, share our channel.